So this is a video to future Allie. Hello. I am driving up Highway 53 in Duluth right now because I have decided that I love you very much and I'm going to get something for you today. This is going to be one of the coolest things that I've ever bought, and I think you know what it is. Snow just started pounding down. GoPro's dead, unfortunately. We're gonna keep pounding it. It's insane. Allie and our dad are shredding it. It's amazing.
Rip it.
Day one, how was it?
It was awesome, and I'm very tired.
Awesome, tired boy. On our bus.
Still walking. Switcher's in my jacket.
Look at this coat. That's hilarious.
Yeah. Give me a wave of goodbye. All right, see ya. See ya.
Get it.
Nice. Keep ripping.
Looking good. I remember you being absolutely amazed looking around at all the mountains, and I was just like, yep, been there, done that kind of thing. But it was really fun having a newbie with us to go rip with. So Keystone was day one with you, and that was awesome. The day after, my dad ripped his coat in the trees out in Keystone. And then we went to Breck, and you skied the highest chairlift in North America, which was pretty awesome, and you got it on GoPro footage, so that was cool. And then Vail was like the day of my life. Absolutely incredible.
Yeah, Vail was unbelievable good. Probably in the top 2 or 3 ever. We've been to Utah, been to Elk over 100 times, and it still rates in the top 4 or 5. The snow was perfect. It couldn't have been just perfect depth, 8 to 10. maybe 12 inches, boot high, top of the boots, and fresh powder every trip. You could find a new line all day long. We pounded it for 6 hours and we were still finding fresh tracks.
Mm-hmm.
It was just huge.
Yeah, skiing the back bowls was amazing. No two runs were the same, which was the best part. And no matter where we went, even though we were still following each other, all three of us, we still found fresh like the entire afternoon.
Everything you could think of, from real steeps to trees to deep ruts, deep moguls. Tough stuff. Matt's first adventure out there, we took him to some pretty crazy places. Young, big time.
Terrain was different. Like the just acreage at Vail was unbelievable. That's something that I've never skied before, something so massive. But snow-wise, I would say like the snow that we had at Vail was unbelievable.
Sam doing one of these. Oh yeah, stand there like you're crying. So I'm gonna have to lean up a little bit. Well, I had been thinking about it for like many months actually before the trip, and you always mention, Allie always mentions how Colorado, or not even Colorado, Allie always mentions how the mountains are her happy place.
All right. You're a woman.
Oh, Matt. It is ma'am!
That's a rock.
Wait, so I'm like her height. I'll drop down like
Yeah,
here.
like here.
Oh, yes! Yes, Matt! I love you!
Get
out of here! I don't want to be with you.
Yeah.
It's over.
It kind of happened in November. I went and bought the ring in November and got on a Black Friday deal, which was sick. Got a free TV. Well, the original plan was I was going to take it up on the snowcat. We were going to go cat skiing and go to the top of the mountain. And I thought, what better way? Okay, she loves the mountains. Let's do it on the top of the mountain. Like, that would be unbelievable. We show up at the stupid mountain and we go get our cat passes. And Allie is like...
I was honestly super annoyed on Wednesday. The snow was not very good. It was windy. It was cold. My legs were tired. The visibility was terrible. And the cats weren't even running. I was like, this is our last day. Like, after coming from such a high at Vail, it was kind of a letdown, to be honest.
40-mile-an-hour winds, no visibility, cat is closed, can't do that today. And I'm sitting there. Allie's like bummed because she can't go skiing. And I'm sitting there like, what? Like, what am I going to do? I had this whole thing planned. So then we went to option B, where it was going to do it above the tree line.
And then we finally made it to the backside, chairlift 6, I believe it was, over to Chet's Run. And that was a lot better. We followed a group of skiers that looked like they knew what they were doing.
Kind of got my butt in gear in the whole thing is the GoPro was dying. It was really cold outside. It was below, I was under 20 degrees, I would say. So I get to the top and I look over at Allie's dad and I go,
Hey, Dennis, want to stop halfway down and get the video camera up? Want to stop halfway down and get the video camera up? Yours?
Oh, that's a possibility. You pick it out.
Yeah.
I had no idea because Matthew Robert played it off so well. I had no idea that this ring was bought. I had no idea that this trip would be when he would ask my dad and then me to marry him. Like, not even the slightest clue. He was playing it off big time that it wouldn't happen for a long time. But now I know this whole time that he was being a stinker and had the ring bought.
Allie! Hold up. Let's get a video right here.
Allie seemed to buy it, like seemed to go right over her head and be like, all right, we'll just get a video of us skiing. I mean, it's a crappy day, so why is he saying this kind of thing is what I thought he was going through your head.
You were next to me at the top and you're like, just ski down to your dad. And I was like, whatever. So I just skied right on past my dad.
I told her to frickin' stop.
So I'm sitting there thinking, all right, option B just became option C. Looked at her dad and was like, all right, well, we're just gonna do this. Make sure he wanted to get a video of it, and he was down to do that. So I was like, all right, you go down first, and then I'll wait up here.
Good luck.
Thank you.
No big deal. Nothing was going on. And then I was looking up and I was like waiting for super long. I was like, what is taking Matt so stinking long? Like, he should be down here by now.
I didn't know what you wanted.
Let's just check something real quick.
That'll be live. The past 3 years have pretty much been the most amazing, almost 3 years of my life. I gotta push it for you.
Take off my helmet. of my life.
No parents ever get to see their kids and get engaged. As far as I'm concerned, very, very, very few ever do. Everybody I've talked to, none of them have had that opportunity. So I feel very honored and very, very, very happy inside that I got to witness the whole thing rather than just see it on a video.